Morning. So with disappointing earnings from major tech companies and of course obvious concerns about valuations, investors it seems are starting to doubt the incessant bull run we've experienced so far and across assets, and of course the advertised economic recovery. So yesterday the S&P and the Nasdaq both fell 2.5%. Then we saw the dollar bouncing off amid the sell-off, and this morning in Asia S&P E-mini futures continue to move down while the VIX, so the volatility index, jumped by most since June of last year, so since the past 6 or 7 months. Now in the past few months, crypto markets, they've moved at a pace of their own, but in the last session, the bearishness permeated, so at least for just that day. Bitcoin had an intraday low down 10% and is closing the day down 6.5%, currently at 30,350. Now, alts were rattled by the moves. They suffered in USD terms and in Bitcoin terms. So Ethereum is down 9%, and then Chainlink, Polkadot, Litecoin, Cardano, Monero, pretty much all the altcoins followed and fell by as much, down 9%. Now, in previous briefings, we talked about the growing inflows to exchange along with reports of miners selling all the way down from 40Ks. But the resemblance to the traditional markets move seems to indicate that the general sell-off and risk-off sentiment is just that link between crypto and traditional markets. It might just have been exacerbated by the ongoing selling pressure that we had from before. Now, interestingly, futures funding rates, which remained elevated throughout this bull run, seem to not only have cooled off, but actually dipped below zero on major exchanges, suggesting that there's a general and continued bearish tilt. Now, while this is happening, I'd like to remind you that tomorrow there's a massive option expiry for about 100K worth of Bitcoin equivalent, and that the max pain level is at 28,000. So it looks like we might actually be going for just that level and just that max pain in the options realm. Now, on a more bullish note, though, the activity on Coinbase is suggesting that there's still a lot of institutional investors that are unfazed by the down move and are currently buying large amounts of Bitcoin and are probably enjoying the discount. So let's see where that takes us. That's all for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.